If you often do gardening, cut tree branches, or enjoy DIY woodwork, then having a good chainsaw can make your life much easier. Chainsaws are powerful tools that save time and effort, but let's be honest, with so many options available today, picking the right one can be a bit confusing. That's why we've handpicked the 5 best chainsaws that you can count on. Let's start with the DEWALT 60-volt max cordless chainsaw. This chainsaw is a beast and built for heavy-duty use. It's cordless but still delivers more power and torque than some gas-powered models. With up to 2.5 times more torque and 26% more peak power than a standard 40.9 cubic centimeter gas chainsaw, it handles big jobs with ease. It has a chain brake for added safety, and the auto-oiling system keeps the chain in top condition. You can adjust the chain easily using the onboard wrench. This version doesn't come with the battery, so you'll need to buy that separately, but if you're someone who works with wood often or uses chainsaws professionally, this one won't disappoint. You can find the best buying link of each chainsaw mentioned in this video in the description box below. Now, let's talk about something small but mighty, the Sacker Mini Chainsaw. This is a compact, battery-powered tool that's perfect for light work around the house or garden. It comes with a strong copper motor and a durable guide chain that cuts smoothly and quickly. Despite being powerful, it weighs only about 1.1 kilograms, making it super easy to handle with one hand. Even elderly users or beginners can use it without any trouble. It runs on a 20-volt rechargeable battery, and one full charge gives you enough time for small tasks. There's a safety lock to prevent accidental starts, and it even comes with a protective cover to stop wood chips from flying. Whether you're trimming bushes or cutting small wood pieces, this tool is convenient and beginner-friendly. If you want something powerful and built for tough cutting jobs, check out the CRAFTSMAN CMAX 600. This corded chainsaw has a 12-amp motor that gives it enough strength to handle thick branches or logs. It has a 16-inch bar and a low kickback design that adds an extra layer of safety. What's more, it has a tool-free chain tensioning system, making adjustments simple and quick. The oiling system is automatic too, and you can see the oil level through the built-in window. It's a solid machine for people who need something reliable for regular or heavy-duty home use. Plus, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty, which gives extra peace of mind. Next up is the Worx WG322, a cordless chainsaw that runs on a 20-volt battery. It's compact, lightweight, and doesn't need gas or cords, which means less hassle. Despite its small size, it delivers clean and fast cuts. It has smart features like auto chain tensioning and auto lubrication, so the tool takes care of itself while you work. One great thing about Worx tools is their PowerShare battery system. The same battery can be used with more than 75 different tools from the brand. It weighs just over 6 pounds, so even if you're working for a longer time, your arms won't feel tired. Great choice for people who want something light, efficient, and cordless. Lastly, for those who want serious cutting power, we have Oregon CS1500. This electric chainsaw is known for its strong performance and user-friendly features. What really stands out is its built-in PowerSharp self-sharpening system. If the chain becomes dull, it sharpens itself in just a few seconds. No extra tools needed. It also comes with a 15-amp motor, which makes it powerful enough for home tasks. You don't have to worry about oiling the chain manually either. The automatic lubrication system takes care of that, keeping everything smooth. It's also quiet and doesn't need assembly. Just plug it in and get to work. Ideal for people who want a powerful yet easy-to-use chainsaw for home use. So, thanks for watching.